John McDonald on location at the Hershey Show in the Highland Ridge display. I love this floor plan. This is really cool. Randy's going to show us a 376 FBH, one of our more popular floor plans, and nobody else has this. So check this out.
Yes, very unique floor plan. You won't find this anywhere else at the show. But the nice feature about this is the elevated bathroom and bedroom gives us a 10-foot full pass-through storage area underneath the rear for whatever, kayaks, storage, whatever you want to haul in there. We'll take you inside and show you the uniqueness of the inside. We're in the 376 fifth wheel right now, and you can see with the big island sink top, you've got the big 23 cubic refrigerator with water, ice, and so forth. And then you've got your hallway with side aisle bath, back to the bedroom with a wardrobe slide out, prep for a washer and dryer in the bathroom. And then you've got your optional U lounge here in the living area, or you can do the dinette and the theater seats. And then this here makes it very unique. Coming up here, big 30-inch door to the front room. We call this the man cave. We call it the bunk room. We call it an extra living area. You've got a big 42-inch TV. You've got refrigerator. You've got plenty of closet wardrobe space here. You've got two full-size trifold sofas that make two full-size beds. You got the half bath up here. And one thing the men like about this when they're watching the football game is they never miss a beat. You can find this floor plan and more. Go to our website. We got 360s. You can see the whole coach. So only outdoors with Open Range RV. Thank you.